Marthedal Solar Air and Heating is the premier San Joaquin Valley contractor for air conditioning, heating, and complete solar solutions, installations, repair, and service since 1976. Heating and air conditioning installation. Not many households can or want to try and survive the grueling summer months or the unforgiving winter in the Central Valley. We rely heavily on our HVAC systems for comfort in our homes and offices. For this reason, it is important to keep your heating and cooling units properly maintained, but as with most machines, they will need to be replaced eventually. When your home unit breaks down, an installation from a professional can save you the trouble of having to go through the summer and winter without the confidence that you'll make it through. Instead of waiting for that breakdown to finally happen, we suggest replacing your heating and cooling system every 10 to 15 years. This also keeps you up to date with the most energy efficient technologies, helping to save your energy costs year in and year out. So give us a call to schedule your in-home consultation so we can help you assess the best heating and cooling needs for your home. You can also visit our website to learn more. This review from Wanda M. I have been with this company for several years now and have found their service to be excellent and very professional. I really appreciate their courtesy and willing to answer any question I may have. Without hesitation, I have referred my friends and family to Marthedal. You will not be disappointed.